National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for East Central Kingman County, Southern Sedgwick County, Northwestern Sumner County until 3:30 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near VIOLA, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing a tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Significant damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Extensive tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include downtown Wichita, Viola, Cheney, Goddard, Wichita Mid-Continent Airport, West Wichita, Lake Hafton, Garden Plate, and Bel Air. This includes Interstate 135 between mile markers 7 and 12. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.